Hey there, folks. This is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster, and today I have a really special offer for you. I don't know if you can hear the deadpan in my voice. I wanted to talk to you about the One Bundle, and it's a brand new product. In fact, it's a collection of best-selling products, all for $22, or if you follow my advice, you can get this for $19. So for the sake of argument, we're gonna start at $19. And you hear the deadpan in my voice because I almost can't believe how good a deal this is. And to be really honest, the vendor of this product has sold these products at the same price as you're getting today. Now you may be asking, why so low? And I know the quality is good, and the quality is more than acceptable. In fact, just purchasing this is going to save you many hundreds of dollars, some of you thousands of dollars. So I am excited about this product, but I'm also wanting to say, like, it's one of those ones, if you don't get it, it's kind of crazy. Now, you may have a really good reason for it, and but I want to tell you about this product. And before I do, I also want to tell you about all the bonuses you got. If that's not enough already for the product, for $19, you're going to be able to get this. But there's even more. So I've got 9 different additional bonuses. Doesn't include all of the vendors' bonuses. So there's lots and lots here that you're going to get. My name is Troy Trelevin, Make Sales Faster. If you like what you hear after I go through this today, in the YouTube description, there's a link that you can come to the page you're looking at right now. And when you come to this page, you're going to be able to click through any of these green and white buttons that you see. Click any of them, and they'll take you through to purchase the One Bundle. And it really is a bundle. It includes storage. So like, think about Dropbox, right? If you have a Dropbox account or a Box account, you don't need it anymore. And you probably pay monthly or yearly for that in the probably in the hundreds of dollars, some cases. Hosting. Do you have any hosting that you, if you have a website, it's probably hosted for you. Do you use graphics? Let's say, any kind of graphics program, Canva, Adobe, that kind of thing. Funnel page design, if you're creating funnel pages, this is all taken care of for you for one price. So anyway, let me tell you about my bonuses. I'll tell you a little bit more about One Bundle. And I think for many of you, this is going to be obvious. Now, those of you who can instantly see the money savings, you're going to like it. But there's also, you can make money on this. You can sell some of these services up on Fiverr or Upwork. You can host people's websites. You can do graphics for them. You can sell them. You can do funnel page design for them. There's lots you can do with this to make money. So for $19, this is one, even if you don't have a plan immediately, and I have a bonus that could help you with that, but let's say you don't have a plan immediately. You could put this on your shelf for a few weeks, pull it out, and make the most of it. In fact, you can start making money right away. Okay. That's enough about that. Let me tell you some of the bonuses we got here. So again, for $19, you get bonus number 1. This is Access Online Entrepreneur. Now, this is a program designed by Jonah Armstrong, who we're giving away for free with your purchase. This teaches you how to make money online. Now, what One Bundle doesn't teach you is how to make money online, but it provides you some amazing tools. So you take those tools, combine them with Access Online Entrepreneur. Now you've got a very good, deep understanding through this course that'll help you make money online. Comes free with this. Next, a collection of done-for-you funnels that you can modify. What this means is there's products already here that you are able to plug in, get using, start making money from. The product is there to sell, already valuable products. You'll be able to combine it with the wonderful tools you've got in One Bundle, and there's a business. So it goes very well with this one, Online Entrepreneur. Bonus 3. This is a crazy one. I'm giving you 365 days of mentoring and support. So when you get this tool, you're going to want some help. And so I'm available for you to email. You can even schedule a Zoom call. It's only available for 72 hours. So if you don't get this right away and this expires, this one's going to disappear. People would pay $10,000 for this one. So if you want this, this is my own mentoring and support to help you make an online income. Technical consultation, anything technical. If you have any questions about how do I make this work, how do I install this, we'll come in, we'll do it for you for 1 hour. And that's a bonus for you that you don't know if you're going to need it, but you can rest assured once you get this product, you're not going to have to worry about where will I get support. You got an hour of our consultation for you technically. Next bonus, a done-for-you website. So one thing that's not included in this is your own website, but you do have hosting. So we'll get you your own website. Again, this one expires in 72 hours. Normally you'd pay $500 for this. I want you to buy this from me. That's why I'm giving you this amazing deal. So if you want your own website, buy this product. If you want free website hosting for a year, this is above and beyond what's offered in the package. This will come with it. This is a really cool hack, Jono's headline. So this will go really well as you're making money online. There's a very cool hack you're going to get here that will show you how to make eye-catching email opening headlines, video opening headlines. So you know those headlines that get your attention, you just can't wait to open them? You're going to see that here. Next bonus, Atomic done for you. Again, these are more products that you can sell yourself. You get all these tools and you're going to get Atomic done for you and everything else. Plus, there's vendor bonuses that are built in. So you're going to get all of that today. $19. I'll show you how to get that. So just so you know, when you click any of these, well, first click the link below in the YouTube description. It says bonus crate, bunch of numbers, letter. Click it. You go through to this page. Click the green and white buttons anywhere along here. You get the product itself, one bundle, plus you get all of these bonuses I'm offering. Some of them are only 72 hours, so buy now. Here is your receipt. So you're going to get a Warrior Plus receipt when you finally finish your purchase. The green button will get you the one bundle, plus the vendor bonuses. The blue button will get you my bonuses. Okay, all these bonuses are accessible through the blue button. So people often ask, where is that? That's where it is. Now, if you have any other questions, you can just, when you subscribe and like this video, by the way, please do, subscribe to my channel. Just post any questions you have down below. All right, so let's talk about what this is. So this is one bundle. This is the sales page, by the way. So once you go through from my bonus page to this page, this is what you'll see. To purchase, you just click this green and white button. It'll take you through. It's going to give you a few different offers. The first one is going to be this product. Now, if you move off of the screen and look like you're going to leave, you're going to get a pop-up. Make sure you stay for the pop-up. Let me just show you here. So I'm refreshing the account. You're going to see what the pop-up looks like. So when you're ready to leave this, just prepare to leave it. And there you go. That's the discount. So make sure you click it with the discount. It'll save you off the $22. You get it for $19. Now, I know my bonus page, it says $17. That's no longer available. That was when it first came out. But now it's $19 if you click this discount. And here's what you get. You get a program called Meet Zespresso. This is a meeting program. Funnel. This is a funnel creator program. Drive Z. This is like a hosting storage program, like Dropbox, right? You can save all your files in here, unlimited. Host Zespresso is hosting, so if you want to host websites for other people or your own. Graphics Zespresso helps you make graphics. These are all included for $19. This is incredible. Like, I obviously have made this purchase. This is going to be something you're really going to want. Please read through this page. Check out the video describing it all. But on my bonus page, I'm going to go back to right here. This is the page where you buy it all. So let's just go a little deeper into this. And again, I'll let you look through this page. You're going to get unlimited hosting, 100% uptime. There's encryption. There's WordPress installation, unlimited cloud storage and file backup. Everything's here. Autoresponder emails are here. So if you have an autoresponder program like GetResponse or Aweber, you can replace it. Drag and drop websites. It's all here, folks. It's all here. So the front end, it says 19. It says 17. It's actually 19 if you get the discount. I'm going to give you the option to look through these other upsells that you'll see on the sales page. They will tell you all the different additions to the core product that you want. I don't have access to it here. I'll let you look at that on your own. But basically, this lets you cancel your Dropbox, cancel your hosting, cancel ClickFunnels if you have ClickFunnels and you're selling things. Any storage, hosting, funnel builder. You can cancel any monthly fees or annual fees. All is done for you. You can create membership sites with this. You know what a membership site is? If you sell a membership, let's say they pay you $10 a month and you give them ongoing service. Well, you need a service to provide that. Well, this is included in this service. There's really no limit to this. One purchase and you've got everything. Any support you need, it's here. You just got to click these green and white buttons. By the way, if you buy this and you go, this isn't for me, 30-day money-back guarantee, can't imagine you're going to want that, but it's available for you if you do. So you're going into this with 100% peace of mind. You've got a business built in with all my bonuses. You've got tools. Any tool you really want in internet marketing is pretty much here. And so, folks, I think this is a no-brainer. Drop your questions and comments and below. If you want to buy this, just click the link in the description. You'll come to this page. Green and white buttons helps you purchase. This program is going to help you make sales, make them faster. That is our mission at Make Sales Faster. Please click the subscribe button. We'd love to give you more offers like this that will help you make money, save money, and make it all faster. Thanks very much.